In this video, guys, I'm going to show you some of the best affiliate marketing programs to promote if you are a beginner. As you can see on the screen, these are some of my results. I have been promoting this training, the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. And for example, these are my affiliate links. And if someone buys through this link, I can make a commission. Now, let me show you. This is inside of the platform. If I click here, you can see that I have all the lessons here. For example, the first lesson is the Freedom to Roadmap, in which people learn how to what is affiliate marketing and some success stories about the people who took this course. The second day is to build the automated sales system. So here Jonathan explains how to use his own software to build an entire ecosystem of products to promote. And I'm going to show you, for example, this is the software Funnel Freedom.io. And the good thing about this software is that we can promote all of these products: Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success, the Legendary Marketer. We have here Wealth Warriors. So these are high ticket products. System.io is a sales funnel builder. GetResponse is for email marketing. Repurpose.io is to repurpose content. And we have here all these products that we can promote with this system. Now, let me show you, for example, in the day number 3, people learn how to drive traffic to his opt-in page. For example, it's important to build a sales funnel. So if you have one, it's important to collect emails and then you send emails to promote products. Now, if I click on courses, Freedom Accelerator, this is the entire training. The 4 phases to freedom, building an automated sales system. Here you can learn how to create between 5 and 15-second videos. And we have all of these resources: Facebook Reels, DM closing, automated, how to use YouTube to collect leads, how to build a YouTube channel and grow it, and then how to increase conversions, and how to automate and scale your entire business. Now, the other product that I want to show you, it's this one, GetResponse. So I have been using this software for email marketing. I send emails and also I store here my contacts. And if I click on automation, I built my ecosystem of products using this software. So if I click on Free Accelerator, so basically these are email sequences that I built to promote multiple products. For example, when someone subscribes to this list, GetResponse is going to send these 2 emails. And then it's going to wait for 1 day and it's going to send the email number 2. It's going to wait for another day and it's going to send the email number 3. And you can use GetResponse to set up this email sequence. And that is how you can promote multiple offers. For example, I use this email to promote my YouTube channel. This is also to promote my YouTube. Here I'm promoting a software. The name is TubeBuddy. I use this software to do keyword search for my YouTube channel. And this email is to promote the 70-hour challenge. Now, you can build your own system from scratch by using GetResponse and other software. The name is ClickFunnels. I have here the funnels that I use to collect leads. A funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically, we use these funnels to collect emails. And once we have that information, we start sending our affiliate offers. And that is how we can build an affiliate business for the long term, because once you have collected an email, you can promote multiple products. So this is another option. This is one of the best softwares in the market, ClickFunnels. And then I want to show you, for example, here in this page, I'm promoting all of these products and secrets of success. So this is the latest training of Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson, he is the creator of ClickFunnels, and with this platform, he's teaching success mindset. For example, let me click here on library, so you can see all the resources we have. For example, if I click on Napoleon Hill, you can see that I can have access to these audiobooks. For example, it will place you wherever you wish to be among men, secrets of master salesmanship, the science of personal achievement, the ultimate Napoleon Hill library, and I have here all these resources. And to have access to these resources, every month I receive 2 new credits, and I can use those credits to unlock the lessons. For example, the lessons that I have unlocked are these ones. It will place you wherever you wish to be among men in the ultimate Napoleon Hill library. I can click here, then listen here. And that is how I can learn from this information. Another thing that we have inside is the study hall. So recently they added how to get anything you want. And if I click here, and these are like Zoom calls, and these are the guests of the Zoom calls. Your supremes of occasions wish, wanters are the rulers of the earth. And we have here good information to have a success mindset. They have a training schedule, paid courses, the master key system, a community, and also a referral program. And if you want to promote this training, you can promote it, and it's totally free to promote it. Now, these ones are high ticket products, Legendary Marketer and Wealth Warriors. For example, Legendary Marketer, this is a product that has a lot of time in the market. So this has a 15-day challenge to start an online business. So here it says online marketing education delivered simple and with integrity. Their mission is to help people start an online business or grow an existing business using online and cutting edge marketing strategies. And you can promote also this product. Now I'm going to click here. Let me show you system.io. So this is another example of a funnel builder. So this is like get response. But the cool thing about system.io is that this is basically free. You can start using it without paying. And when you get to a certain amount of subscribers, you will need to start paying this software. But you're gonna start for free. That is the good thing about system.io. But if you like something like more robust, it's better to use ClickFunnels. So I have been using ClickFunnels, and it's a really good software. So we have get response. I will show it to you. Repurpose data.io is to repurpose content. vidIQ is similar to TubeBuddy. For example, let me show you how do I use TubeBuddy. So basically what I do is that I do keyword search. So in this case, I'm doing keyword search for this keyword, best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. And if I click, you can see that I have information in this part, in the right part. Okay, so this is vidIQ. So I'm going to refresh it. Because TubeBuddy is important because when you are doing keyword research, you need to use a keyword that is going to help you grow your YouTube channel. So if you are just recording content and upload it into your YouTube channel, and if you don't do the keyword research, it's going to take you time to be searchable on YouTube because you don't know if people are searching that keyword. That is why if I click here for the weighted score, you can see that TubeBuddy it's going to give me a score for this keyword. So TubeBuddy has an overall score and a score analysis. So you can see this keyword is fair. So it has 31. And if I want to rank for a keyword, it needs to be in the green section. So if I use, for example, best affiliate marketing programs for beginners to promote in 2023, so the overall score increases to 59, which is great. So, and you need to know that some keywords has more competition than other ones. For example, the affiliate marketing niche and the make money online niche, it's super competitive. And if you are starting out, it's like hard to rank for those keywords. That is why it's important to do this keyword research because it's going to help you to use the exact keyword to rank on YouTube. So that is why you can see that I have created a video using this keyword. Then another programs that you can promote is Udemy. This is for solo ads. So solo ads is like there are like many people with huge email lists, and you can buy, you can you can pay to those people to send emails with your opt-in page or your affiliate links. vidIQ is to it's similar to TubeBuddy. Visla is a video editor and also in video. So these are one of the best affiliate marketing to promote if you're a complete beginner. And if you want to promote all of these products, for example, you can see that I have here my affiliate links in these boxes. And one of the cool things about this software is that you can copy and paste your affiliate links in this page Then you can use the lead magnet inside of this software, which is a free course, and you can give away for free this course in exchange for the email. And I started to drive traffic to this opt-in page, which is the opt-in page for the free course, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 strategy. And I started to collect contacts. Now, let me show you the opt-in page because this is really important. And right now, I have been using this page and it's working really well. How anyone can start the #1 beginner friendly, fully automated business from home. So when people see this page and click here, I can collect a name and an email, and the software is going to start sending emails that are already built inside of the marketing tab. So if I click on marketing and then on templates, you can see that I have here all these emails ready to be sent. So check this out. So these are the emails, all of these ones. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links. And if they buy through any of these links, I can make commissions. That is why this system is powerful, because you can use this software to promote multiple products. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon and God bless.